Hey besties, did you know that August is National Hair Loss Awareness Month? We're a little late to the game, but as we are in this wig world, we want to make sure that we are sharing that love with you. So we do have a program called I'm Hair For You, and it's something that is really near and dear to my heart, and it's something that we came up with once we really dove into this wig world and finding out that a lot of people, for many reasons, need wigs. So this is where you guys come in. So every single month we take in applications. You can apply or nominate somebody, and we will reach out to you if you are chosen. We really wanted to kick things up this month to make sure we are getting hair crowns onto as many people in need as possible. So starting this weekend, we are really going into full force throughout the rest of the month. First up, this weekend, Latonya, she is back. She's been gone forever and ever, amen, but she is here. We have her in Tea Party and we have her in A-Lux. So excited about that. But she is going to be exclusively on the app starting Friday, which is today, all throughout the weekend. So this is what's really exciting, is that the people who are applying, for every 20 of Latonya sold, we will be finding someone to gift a wig to based on our Hair For You program. This Wednesday, August 24th, we will be going live together right on Instagram, and I will be doing live Match Me for those Hair For You recipients at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. It'll be at random for those chosen throughout the weekend. But I'm not done. We're going to rewind to Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be a very big day. On Tuesday, what is going to be really fun as well is that we will be choosing recipients live. We will be doing a duo live on TikTok and Facebook, and we will be choosing people who have applied. So for those who are applying, there is a new application form, and you will find it at the bottom of our website. One of our really big hopes in this is to really raise a ton of awareness on the many forms of hair loss. When you guys click that box, it's going to allow us to share a little bit of information, maybe your first name and then the reason for your hair loss. And once we've shared that, you will be going into a tote and you will be receiving one of our wigs. We're so excited to be teaming up with you guys and making sure we are spreading awareness this month. Next month, alopecia awareness. There's plenty more to come from I'm Hair For You, so make sure you are applying every month if you're not chosen that first time, because we have lots of hair crowns to give to those people in need. Okay, I gave you guys a lot of information. Important dates to remember, starting tomorrow, Friday, August, right now.
Right now, it's already live. By the time this goes
It's
on,
happening. It's Friday right now. It's been happening already. Where have you been? Have you not downloaded the app yet? Download the app. It's on Apple and Android. I know we're shocked it's on Android. But it already has started. So as those Latonyas are selling out, we will be choosing people for Wednesday live on Instagram. Tuesday, we will be doing live recipients as well, TikTok and Facebook. All you need to remember is 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Besties, it's going to be amazing, and I cannot do this without you.